Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Steam games to an external hard drive. Let's get started. First, open Steam and go to your library and find the game you want to install and click install. Now a pop-up window will appear showing the installation location. If you only see your local drive, click the gear icon to open storage settings. At the top, click the drop-down menu and select Add Drive. Then choose your external hard drive from the list. Once added, it will appear as an installation option. Now go back to your Steam library and click Install again. Now choose the external hard drive as the installation location. Then click Install. Then Steam will now download and install the game directly to your external drive, saving space on your computer. Once the download is complete, you can launch and play the game normally. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.